Hello, welcome to CPR Savers Product Review. My name is Celine, and today I'll be showing you our Bleeding Trauma Kit for First Aid Emergencies. Originally developed to assist military medics, our on-the-go pack is designed to control hemorrhaging at the scene while still being safe and easy to use. It has been proven to work even in the presence of blood-thinning medications. Our kit provides 1 resealable waterproof bag, 3 antiseptic wipes, a 5x9 combine pad, a 2x2 sterile gauze pad, a 4x4 sterile gauze pad, 1 red biohazard bag, 1 tourniquet, 2 gauze rolls, 1 roll of duct tape, 2 grams of Celox blood clotting powder, and 2 pairs of nitrile gloves, all packed in a resealable waterproof bag to withstand any kind of harsh weather that may occur. To use the Celox, apply directly to the wound. When the active ingredients in Celox encounter blood, its powerful clotting ingredients work independently of the body's normal clotting processes to quickly stop the bleeding. Cover the wound and apply pressure. After 30 seconds, the bleeding should stop. To view this product, visit our website at CPR-savers.com and type CPRSTK1 into the search bar to be taken to the product page, or call our customer service excellence team at 1-800-480-1277. Thanks for watching.